friends, today in Aha Oho Bhojanams we are going to see whole wheat veg tikki roll. It is very healthy and yummy breakfast. I have taken 3 full cups of wheat flour and I am adding white sesame, hing, salt, garam masala, red chilli powder and cooking soda, and I am adding 4 to 5 boiled and mashed potatoes, and along with them I have added 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee, and we have to mix everything together and make a soft dough. Make as usual chapati dough. You can use wheat powder for making it and start making small round balls. Keep all the vegetables ready. Chopped onions, boiled peas, you can see it, I am able to mash it, grated carrots, coriander leaves and chopped green chilies. You have to mix salt in this and mix them well. We are going to stuff this inside the wheat dough. If you want, you can add jeera powder in this. I am not adding it. All the ingredients list have been given in the description box. You have to roll the dough as we make chapatis. Be a little thick because as we have mixed potatoes in that, if you make it very thin, it may get broken. You have to spread the mixed veggies all over the chapati roll. I am showing you from another angle also. You have to spread it like this and you have to roll it slowly. You can use powder to roll it. You have to roll it as I am showing. You can use powder, you can sprinkle over it and roll it so that it won't get sticked to the floor or the platform where you prepare it. Roll it gently and cut them into small pieces. You can cut it more small also. So as per the size of your cuts, the tikki size will be. And you have to press it from the top, that is from the veggie side. You have to press it. You can use powder so that it won't get stick on your hand. You have to press all the rolls like that. The veggie part should be at the top so that when you make the shallow fry, the snack will look so colorful. Of course, as well as it is very healthy and tasty too. You can make even small rolls and you can make small tikkis. As per your wish, you can make. So keep all that ready. All my tikkis are ready. Now take the tawa and pour 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and heat it. Once the oil is hot, you can start dropping all the tikkis one by one slowly. We are going to shallow fry this. And after 15 to 20 seconds, you can slowly start turning it upside down. So all the sides it should get cooked well. And again, it is your choice whether taking it very soft tikki or very crispy tikki. If you want crispy tikki, you have to keep it in the tawa for extra 15 to 20 seconds. It will get bit dark brown. Otherwise, you can remove it in the golden brown color itself. Wow, looks so colorful. It has to get cooked more. Other side also. For me, it's almost ready. Few I am taking them soft, that is in golden brown color. Few I am making them crispy. I am removing them from the tawa slowly. I have made few very crispy. I have made few little soft. Wow, superb looking. Our whole wheat veg sticky roll is ready to eat. You can have it with green chutney or sauce. This is so simple and healthy, tasty, crispy tiffin and snack for morning breakfast and evening snacks. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So prepare this whole wheat veg sticky roll at home and give me the feedback, friends. Thank you for watching.